To simplify the object instantiation process, i.e. construction, and to ensure that we don't forget the setting of any attributes, we can define a custom constructor for our user object. We need to define an initialize method, which will take as arguments the attributes that we want to set. Name, email, and age in this case. Then, in order to assign our attributes when we're calling the constructor, we'll use the special object self. So self.name, the setter for name, self.email, the setter for email, and self.age, the setter for age. In each case, what I'm doing is assigning the value that I've passed to the constructor as an argument to the object's setter method. So now this simplifies the creation of my object. I can now just pass the arguments to my constructor. Jill at example.com. And now these individual assignments are no longer necessary. So you can imagine if you're creating a great number of objects, that this simplifies the process significantly. And as you can see, the code still behaves in exactly the same way as before. One thing I would like to point out is that you can have accessors that aren't assigned in the constructor. So let's remove the age argument from the constructor. And of course, we have to also remove the assignment here. So now age is actually an optional attribute. When we call our constructor, we can no longer pass the age argument. So if we want to set our age, we can either leave it blank, and this will result in the age being nil, or we can set it in the same way that we did before using the setter.